Hi people, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you a natural remedy that would get rid of those nasty looking cellulites. Okay, now if you're actually experiencing cellulite, it's actually because you're putting on weight or you have actually lose weight, so your thigh area is going to look lumpy, it's going to, it's not going to be smooth. So this natural remedy with consistent use would help you to smoothen your thigh, and those nasty looking cellulites is going to disappear. All right, but you have to give it just a little time, scrub very well, and you are going to be loving your results. So if you want to know what it is, please do continue watching, and don't forget to hit on the like button. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this video. Also leave your comments below. All right, so let's dive into the video. So we're going to be needing coffee. You can actually use this Nescafe for any coffee grains. Any coffee you can lay your hand on. It's actually not really about the brown, it's about the coffee itself, okay? Because coffee is loaded with nutrients that helps to stimulate the circulation of blood on the skin, therefore removing cellulite, and also help to smoothen out the skin, okay? So we're gonna be taking in the Nescafe coffee, and then we're just gonna pour it into the bowl. So if you have the coffee grains, you can actually blend it, okay? Then we're going to also be making use of baking soda, which is bicarbonate of soda. Now this is a natural exfoliatant to the skin. Using baking soda alongside with coffee would help to scrub out the disgusting look of cellulite on the skin, and it's also going to help to increase the blood circulation on that part. Then we're going to be putting in 1 tablespoon of baking soda, depending on the places in which you want to scrub, okay? If it's actually much, like wide enough, you can put more than that, okay? We're also going to be making use of lemon, guys. Lemon is a natural remedy that helps to lighten up the skin. It helps to leave the skin younger and youthful, and it's also a natural remedy that is also loaded with numerous nutrients that helps to remove dark patches, dark spots, and pimples. Now we have to be making use of the lemon, so I'm going to be cutting in I need just the lemon that would make this paste a nice consistency, okay? So I'm going to be pressing it in, and then I'm going to be checking to see if the consistency is going to be okay for this particular liquid. And then we're going to also be needing sandalwood powder. Okay, this is actually sandalwood powder. I poured it into this baking soda container so it won't waste, okay? Sandalwood powder is a natural root that is loaded with numerous natural remedy. It is great for the skin. It's great to scrub out the dead skin cells, and it also helps to glow the skin. It is a natural remedy for dark knuckles. So now I'll have to be putting in some good amount of sandalwood powder into the bowl. I would first of all like to stir it up to see the consistency that I've got first. Okay, so this consistency is perfect, guys. And now I'm gonna be using my hand to illustrate this. Okay, so if you have a cellulite, you have to pack in this remedy onto your thigh. Wherever you have the cellulite, you pack in the treatment, just like I'm gonna be doing now on my hands, because I'm not gonna be able to show you my thigh right now. So after you pack in the treatment, then you have to use a brush. Now if you have a dry facial brush, the automatic dry facial brush that automatically, brush your skin in circular motion, it's perfect. But if you don't have, you can actually use toothbrush, just like I'm using right now, because I don't have the other one. So what you do is that you will have to scrub this in a circular motion on your thigh, on your lap. Scrub it very well. Well, not as much as to bruise your skin though, but you have to give it a little pressure, because your aim is beneath the skin, not necessarily on the skin. So just a layer beneath the skin is just what we're aiming at. Okay, so you have to scrub it in a circular motion. Alright guys, so after you've scrubbed it like that, then you have to pack in the remedy again. Okay, you have to pack in this treatment again on that part, and this time you can hold it on for a couple of minutes. It depending on how long you can hold it. Okay, if you can hold it for 10 minutes, fine. If you can hold it for 5 minutes, it's still okay. If you can hold it less than that, it's still okay. It's just so this treatment can go into your skin and actually, just help you so much. But remember, you have to scrub it and scrub it very well. If you don't have a brush, you can also use your hand and scrub. Okay, now this treatment is not gonna like work instantly, but as you continually brush it, so you can actually store it. It's not going to go bad. As you continually brush it, you're going to begin to see improvement. Your cellulite is going to begin to go off. Okay, so that's it guys. Most of the time I tend to get message for cellulite, and that's why I kind of put up this video so you guys can use it to get rid of that nasty looking cellulite. But you have to give it time, like scrub it, okay, because this natural remedy is not a miracle. It doesn't contain any chemical in it. It works, but it works with consistency. Okay, so there you have it. Go try it out and let me know how it is, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Don't forget to leave your comments below, subscribe to my YouTube channel, please share this video, and also don't forget to turn on the bell beside the subscribe button so you will be notified when I upload a new video. Alright guys, I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye guys, and stay flawlessly beautiful.